Hi guys! Antico Casale, Toscana is also known for its on-site cooking experiences, from handmade pastas and traditional soups to classic Italian desserts, all taught in the farmhouse training rooms and kitchen as part of their guided classes. Please like and subscribe, and we'll bring you on more adventures with us. See you out there!
I think so. Doesn't matter. It's safe. All put it all together.
Pumpkin? No, excuse me. Pumpkin was... Yes, yes. Well, with me, my height's a little more, so like this table is low.
It's possible to cut until here, but if you make your own, because it's cooked, no problem. Yeah, it is better. Okay.
She uses those triple board box beans. They are like pinkish, sparkly, and cranberry beans.
It's black, they're not black, but
Anyway, we don't make these here.
it smells so good.
Variety.
The recipe and I put the black cabbage for first cooking and when it is finished to cook, I add the really of the rice, farinata. Is normally, yes, not in the supermarket. Right, right. Oh, yes, I agree.